That's what we're...
Hey, Grouper Pro, get ready for a treat. Captain George aboard the Wake Up. I'm sorry, aboard the Wahoo.
That's your other vessel.
Yeah. Here's a real treat.
Oh, wow.
Crap. We're talking red grouper here, baby. Who's your captain? GrouperPro.com.
That's a good one.
That's what I'm talking about. That was worth the trip out here.
Yeah. Maybe we should just
What do
let
you
Dale
think?
beat
How
ours.
many pounds that sucker? 20?
Yeah.
Well,
That's a long.
now Carlos won't go hungry. Let's get some more.
He ain't happy.
Let's get dessert.
I just retied that hook.
How many plates you got something like that?
A lot. Oh, that'll feed 6 people. Buddy, have a drink. Nice. Have a fucking drink. That reminds me. Okay, go to our website, GrouperPro.com. You're going to see that monster on Facebook, Twitter. You might even see it at the White House.
Tweet or Twitter.
No, it's not a GrouperPro.com.